Chlorine is a fascinating element. It's one of those elements that you might not think about every day, but it plays a crucial role in our lives. You can find it on the periodic table. Its symbol is Cl, which stands for chlorine. This symbol is a shorthand used by scientists all over the world. Its atomic number is 17. This number tells us that chlorine has 17 protons in its nucleus. That means it has 17 protons in its nucleus. Neat. This atomic structure gives chlorine its unique properties. Chlorine is a yellow-green gas. You can't miss it. This distinctive color makes it easy to identify in a lab setting. It has a very strong odor. The smell is so pungent that it can be detected even in small amounts. You know it when you smell it. This strong odor is actually a safety feature alerting us to its presence. Chlorine is part of our daily lives. It's used to disinfect water, making it safe to drink and swim in. We use it in many ways. From keeping our pools clean to sanitizing our drinking water, chlorine is essential, but it's important to be careful. Chlorine, while useful, can be hazardous if not handled properly. Chlorine can be dangerous if not handled properly. Remember safety first. Always follow safety guidelines when working with chlorine. Always wear gloves and eye protection when handling chlorine. This helps protect your skin and eyes from potential harm. And never mix chlorine with other chemicals. Mixing it with certain substances can create dangerous reactions. Let's learn more about this amazing element. Chlorine has a rich history and many applications that make it a vital part of modern life. Chlorine is a gas at room temperature. It is a yellow-green gas with a strong, pungent odor that is easily recognizable. But it can be turned into a liquid by cooling it or applying pressure. This transformation is crucial for its storage and transportation. This makes it easy to transport over long distances, ensuring it can be delivered to various industries and facilities that need it. Chlorine is a very reactive element. It readily combines with other elements and compounds, making it highly versatile. It loves to combine with other elements, forming a variety of useful compounds. This reactivity is harnessed in many chemical processes. This makes it useful for making many products, from everyday household items to specialized industrial materials. One of the most important uses of chlorine is in water treatment. It plays a critical role in ensuring our water is safe to drink. Chlorine kills harmful bacteria in water, preventing the spread of waterborne diseases. This makes our drinking water safe and clean, protecting public health. Chlorine is also used to keep swimming pools clean. It helps maintain the hygiene of the water, making it safe for swimmers. Chlorine is used in many industries. Its applications are vast and varied, impacting numerous sectors. It is used to make plastics, pesticides, and even medicines. These products are essential in our daily lives and in various industrial processes. Without chlorine, our world would be a very different place. Its contributions to public health, industry, and everyday life are invaluable. Chlorine is a powerful element. It can be harmful to the environment if not handled properly. That's why it's important to dispose of chlorine safely. Never pour chlorine down the drain. Chlorine can harm plants and animals. It can also pollute our air and water. We must be careful not to overuse chlorine. Scientists are working hard to find safer alternatives to chlorine. We need to protect our planet for future generations. Chlorine is a useful but potentially harmful element. It is widely used in various industries, from water treatment to manufacturing, and even in household cleaning products. However, its benefits come with significant risks if not handled properly. It's important to be safe when using chlorine. Always wear appropriate protective gear, such as gloves, goggles, and masks, to prevent any direct contact with the skin or inhalation of fumes. Always follow the instructions on the label. These guidelines are there to ensure your safety and the safety of those around you. Misuse or mishandling can lead to serious health hazards. And never mix chlorine with other chemicals. Mixing chlorine with substances like ammonia or acids can produce dangerous reactions, releasing toxic gases that can be harmful or even fatal. Chlorine is an important element with many uses. It plays a crucial role in disinfecting drinking water, maintaining swimming pool hygiene, and even in the production of everyday products. But we must use it responsibly. Proper storage and disposal are essential to prevent environmental contamination and protect wildlife. By taking precautions and exploring alternatives, we can harness the benefits of chlorine while minimizing its impact on our health and the environment. Remember, safety first. Consider using eco-friendly alternatives where possible to reduce your chemical footprint. And let's all do our part to protect our planet. Every small action counts, from proper chemical disposal to participating in community cleanups. Together, we can make a significant difference in preserving our environment for future generations.